Welcome to this Fix-It Tech News channel, and let's take a look at the desktop market for operating systems. And this is the number for the month of February. So these are, of course, released at the first day of a new month. We are March 1st, 2021. So in the desktop PC environment, we have Windows, that is at 75.94%, almost 76%. We have OS X, which is the Mac operating system, running at 16.7% of machines. We have something called Unknown, and I would say that Unknown probably incorporates some of the Linux distros that might not be correctly identified. But it's interesting to see that there's Unknown at 3.37%. Chrome OS, 2%. And Linux numbers here, these types of the Linux numbers at 1.97%. Kind of interesting to see here. I would probably look at, so Unknown could have older operating systems that are not recognized. But I would probably add to Linux at least, maybe at least 1% from the Unknown, which would make it at about 3%. And maybe Chrome OS could also, it's kind of interesting to see what Unknown can all be like, especially for desktop. But of course, the dominance of Windows is there, and Mac is following very far behind. One of the interesting aspects of the numbers, and we'll be following those actually, is the fact that Chrome OS is actually growing at a faster pace in the past few months, and actually taking away a little bit of market share, it seems, from not just Windows, but also Mac OS X. It seems that people find out that Chrome OS is actually enough to do whatever they want on their computers. You got to remember that most people don't use and don't do that much with a PC, so often a very basic system, as long as it works, is enough. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.